Now, there's another feature that we have here, which is pretty awesome. This is one that I actually use quite a bit. So I'll show you this one here. All right, so let's say we're back over here on this page. And we know, like we just saw, if I go to the Chrome, hey, we know that I can be on the page, I can record a video. We know that. We also know that I can do the desktop app, like we just saw. I click record screen, I'm on the screen. In both examples, I'm live in the bubble here. But what if I want to play a pre-recorded video? Not be live, pre-recorded. Could be pre-recorded of me, could be pre-recorded of somebody else. The point is, it could be pre-recorded. That's going to be what the desktop app narrator video function is. So here's the desktop app menu. I'm going to click narrator video. It's going to take me to my video library. I'm going to put narrator in because that's what I have them saved as. And these are videos that I've recorded direct to webcam with a teleprompter. And then I click down here. I'm going to choose this one. I'm going to go with this video right here. I'm going to select it. Now I'm on the screen. I'm going to change my shape. I'm going to move myself over here, just like we did before. And this is a pre-recorded version of me. I'm going to put myself right here. And now when I hit record, all I have to do is just relax and scroll while the pre-recorded version of me does all the work.
Hi there. I saw you were checking out some properties in the area and wanted to send you this market update so you can make the best decision possible.
And then I can hit pause, stop the recording, hit resume.
As you can see, there is a ton.
So if you feel like where you don't want to do two things at once and you don't want to multitask, you could always just do a pre-recorded video of you delivering the content, and then you can just relax and scroll. So it's a really nice thing to be able to use.